Welcome to this bonus episode of the Compressor Guru. Today, the Guru is going to take you on a tour of one of our local shops. Midway Collision of Philipsburg, Pennsylvania, has granted us permission to show you some of the ways they use air in their shop. And now, here is the Compressor Guru and the guys from Midway Collision.
Come on over, Daryl. This is Daryl. This is the owner.
Get me involved.
You want a free plug?
Yeah, no, I don't care.
You want to? Hopefully, it's get you a little business. Yeah. This is Daryl. Daryl owns Midway Collision in Philipsburg, PA, and it's his compressors we work on. How angry are you with my service over the years?
Bud, you've done very well and treated us fairly.
Oh, don't lie. So,
not lying.
Okay, thank you, Daryl.
It's all good.
Anyway, we're going to change this pressure switch, and Daryl's a full-service collision shop. You want to give any details? What kind of paint you use? How many techs do you have?
We have 5 techs right now. Busy. Keep everybody busy, and all insurance work.
Okay. That looks real complicated. What you doing?
Just sanding it with 320 to get the imperfections out of it.
You want to
comes out of the box.
Okay. So that's brand new hood going on this car?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to just point out real quickly what some of the capabilities are of the shop? I see a paint booth. I see a frame machine. How many techs do you have here?
I think we have 5 techs, 1 wash boy, and then the estimator, and 2 in the office that run the office.
Yeah. So it looks like you've got a pretty nice paint booth.
Yeah, we got the paint booth, and...
Want to walk us on a tour?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we got the paint booth there. Frame machine's over here, but it
looks like like a parts counter.
Yeah, it's like a table for now. We don't use it very often. This stuff here.
Hang on, the camera's not here. She doesn't keep up as well as I'd like. So this looks like a pretty interesting piece of apparatus. What's this?
This here is the heat. Brings in fresh air from outside, heats it, and then it heats the booth as you're painting so you can bake your paint. And then it goes through the other side that has the filters and stuff before it goes back outside.
Okay. So the air that goes in your booth is well filtered and heated.
Yep.
And fresh air, and you can turn the booth on for a while, cook the paint.
Yep.
And it's like factory finish.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And your dry times and stuff, because you can bake it, takes like a half hour, and then you can
instead of letting it set all day. And cool.
And you can put it back together in a half hour, 45 minutes.
Wow.
This here's the mixing bank. It's where it makes all the paint, and it's all computerized.
And you actually measure your paint by weight?
Yep, measure it by weight on the scale. And pretty much a computer tells you what to mix it to.
Cool. Now this room used to be over where the compressor room was.
Yeah.
And that's the room that disappeared since our last visit.
Yep. They took it out yesterday, actually.
So are we going into the vault?
Yeah.
What's this? What's in here?
There's stuff that's painted in here now.
Okay.
Just painted.
Don't touch them, baby.
Just painted probably an hour ago. So you can feel it's pretty warm in here. Now, this will be ready to put together in 10, 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Too bad we don't have a thermometer to show how warm it is in here. Oh yeah, there is. It's 120 in here. And I see a desiccant dryer on the wall.
Yep, desiccant dryer back here. Plus we have the air dryer back by the compressors also.
Yeah, that's a desiccant dryer also. This is a DVD 500 down the wall here under the screen. And we sell those also in case you're interested. So.
Yeah.
I know you already bought one off me, so I was telling them.
Yeah, they work good.
Yeah, they do. So. Toasty in there.
Oh yeah. 2 warm for me.
Let me show that babe.
Oh, this. And here also we got chip decks, color match.
Oh, okay.
You got your chip decks and all this.
Now, do you have like a 3M sunlighter that you use?
Yes. Yep.
So if you have a car come in,
where
you
it's
got,
at actually. Oh, right here.
there you go.
You got a sun gun and just.
And that's just like daylight.
And you go through all the colors because for one color there's several variants. Like you have probably 10 different colors of the same color. But it's actually all the same paint coat.
And the Compressor Guru also sells those sunlighters. It's a 3M product. We don't sell paint chips. You'll have to see your paint supplier for paint chips. And I see you have Cascade gun washers.
Yeah, this is a gun cleaner. A little dirty. It's gun cleaner system, and then all the paint guns over here.
And your waste.
Your waste.
So you're basically a green shop as well.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, all that paint on the wall there is all fire-based waterborne paint.
Beautiful. We're going to get Daryl a good plug with this. I see air conditioner machines.
Oh yeah, AC machines.
So if you have a wreck come in, you don't lose the Freon.
Yeah, this one here is R134A, and this is the new style we're switching over to here.
Right.
R1234, I believe.
It's a
R1234YF.
Yep.
I'm still getting used to this.
Yeah, they keep changing it. It used to be just Freon. R12 or R19 was all it was.
Yeah, but back in.
Yeah, way back then.
And then this is all the buffing system. Got 3M buffing compound and the 3-stage system. And yeah, that's pretty well.
So you can take a car that's basically been trashed by hitting a deer or another car, bring it in here, tear all the old panels off, put new panels on, match the paint perfectly, straighten the frame, and put it all back together, and it's like a new car.
Do it all, yeah.
Excellent.
Comes in crashed and comes out like brand new.
There we go. And I see a Pro Spotter, a MIG welder.
That's the spot weld system.
Uh-huh.
And we got Miller-Matic over there, 211, also MIG welder.
Yeah.
It has a spool gun to weld aluminum and stuff too. And
I sell parts for that Matic.
yeah, they're good welders.
Yes, they are. You got your highly skilled technicians. Must be running from the camera.
Yeah, this out here is just where all of our parts are stored. And we have different spots for different cars that come in. They have work order numbers, so the parts guys can come in and put them in their right slot for each car.
Wow, very organized. Makes it
a lot easier to find your stuff.
Yeah, I've been in other shops where there's this big pile of boxes.
It's all over.
And you go looking for what part you need when, very
It
good.
works out good that way. Pretty well, that's it.
That's it. Well, thank you. And you want to introduce yourself for the Compressor's new roof job?
I'm Dustin Yarger, auto body technician at Midway Collision.
Well, thank you.
Yep, thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Okay, we're going to go work on your compressor now.
Oh, you're fine. Do what you gotta do.
Yep, thank you.
I'm going to video my way in.
They misplaced the whole room.
Wow.
So since before we start working, let's cover what they did. They took the room out because that was just an old paint room where they did their mixing. You can see some of the remnants, which opened this room up nice. They put vents in and a fan to help cool this room down because it gets pretty warm with the compressor sitting in here running. The compressors, I heard one time, and I think it's probably accurate, that a 25 horsepower compressor will develop 100,000 BTUs. So that being said, these two 5 horsepower compressors are like having 40,000 BTU heater in this room. And especially in the summertime, you got to get the heat out.
Same place we were the other day, but now we have this vent on the outside. There's the little guys running. That's where the water gets dumped through. Well, it drains. Because they're replacing all of these parts, these are the other parts before they get recycled. And I'm sure they're a pretty green place. I'm sure they recycle them. This is now the whole little compressor room. Thank you for watching this episode of The Compressor Guru. The Guru would like to thank Midway Collision for allowing us to tour their shop where we could show you how they installed things to make their shop run better. Midway Collision is a quality body shop in central Pennsylvania. If you have the need of such a shop, we would recommend them. They do wonderful work. Thank you for watching The Compressor Guru. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our episodes. Hit that bell so you are sure to see when the next episode comes out. As always, if you have questions or comments or would like to see more episodes of tours such as this, please comment below to The Compressor Guru. Thank you and have a wonderful day.